To import a keyword list into Semrush, you need to follow a series of simple steps that will help you analyze and optimize your website for better search engine ranking. First, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Keyword Analytics section. This is where you will be managing your keyword lists. Next, click on the Keyword Magic tool, which is a comprehensive database of keywords that Semrush offers. In this section, you will see an option to import keywords. Click on it and select the Import Keywords option. You can import keywords from a CSV or XLS file, or you can also import them from Google Keyword Planner or other tools. To import from a file, click on the Upload Your File option and select the file that contains your keyword list. Make sure the file is in the correct format, with each keyword on a separate line or separated by commas. You can also add keywords manually by typing them in the given box, separated by commas. Once you have selected your file or added your keywords manually, click on the Import button. Semrush will then upload your keyword list and display it in the Keyword Magic tool. You can then use this list to analyze your competitors, identify gaps in your content, and optimize your website for better search engine ranking. It is best practice to keep your keyword list organized and up to date, as this will help you to get the most out of your Semrush account. You can also use Semrush to identify new keywords and add them to your list, which will help you to stay ahead of your competitors and drive more traffic to your website. In addition to importing keywords, you can also use Semrush to analyze your competitors' keyword lists, which will give you valuable insights into their search engine optimization strategies. By following these simple steps and using Semrush to its full potential, you can improve your website's search engine ranking and drive more traffic to your site.